guys, sorry that last video cut out, but I was talking about accounting is a real good class to take if you're interested in business, learning how to make money, how to spend it, and see where it goes. It's not real hard. You got to learn a lot of terms and kind of some rules or theory, but once you get that down, it's pretty easy, I think. But this assets equals liabilities with owner's equity, you'll get all that in there. That's kind of the 1 + 1 = 2 for accounting. So the last part I want to talk about, and this isn't real long here, is chart of accounts. Chart of accounts is basically a list of all the accounts you do business with, people that you do business with, and you store all those accounts in a ledger. A ledger is a booklet that lists all of your accounts, and it shows you who owes you money, who's giving you money, who do you owe money. It kind of looks like a checkbook register, maybe if you've seen one of those with your parents, but it has everybody each person has their own little area in that account. They're in that a chart of account that lists, what their balance is with you. Balance is money basically that you owe or they owe you. There's a few major financial sheets that show how your business is doing or what it is worth that you should know about real quick. Income statement is basically going to show your revenue from basically your sales, your revenue streams, so how much money you're making, and then it'll also show your expenses. And obviously in your income statement, you want your revenue to be larger than your expenses. If that's the case, you have a net income. If your expenses are larger than your revenue, then you have a net loss. But the income statement really shows if your business is making money or not. Balance sheet is basically going to list all of your accounts and what their balances are. Gives you an idea of how you're spending money, where money is going. And then you have statements of owner's equity. Basically, this has to deal with stocks or any other investments that you have made into the company or paid out. Any dividends is money you pay out to investors. So that shows that. And you can see what dividends there is when the company pays out part of its profits back to its investors. Cash flow statement is money that comes in and out. So it's going to show money that's going in and out of the business. Okay. And that's basically what I think you need to know from 6.3. Like I said, we're not going to quiz on this. But if you are interested in accounting, it's a real great class. Take that, sign up for it next year. Sorry about the 6.2 quiz deal, but get that taken care of. I'll get your grades in the grade book. We got a couple weeks left, so stay on top of everything. We're going to go into chapter 7 next week. Get those bookmarks into me, and take care and wash your hands.